Accountable.
accountable,
accountable,
Adjective. Meaning. Obliged to accept responsibility. Subject to giving an account, answerable. Someone who is accountable is completely responsible for what they do and must be able to give a satisfactory reason for it. Example. Jesse Prado, a former Austin police detective, said last month that officers in Uvalde Independent School District Police followed policies and procedures, and they should not be held accountable. USA Today, April 18, 2024. He knew he would be held accountable for any flaws in the programming. The bank accountable for payment of the check.
accountant,
accountant,
Noun. Meaning. A professional person whose job is to keep and check the financial records of an organization, or to advise clients on tax and other financial matters. One who is skilled in the practice of accounting or who is in charge of public or private accounts. Someone who keeps or examines the records of money received, paid, and owed by a company or person. Example. I stand accountant for as great a sin. They pick on an accountant because an accountant needs a good name and has been partly in control of the funds anyway. A firm of accountants. Accumulate.
accumulate,
accumulate,
Verb. Meaning. To collect a large number of things over a long period of time. To increase or develop gradually over a period of time. To increase in quantity, number, or amount. Example. I seem to have accumulated a lot of books. He amassed a fortune from silver mining. Martin had accumulated $80,000 in debt. Accumulation.
accumulation,
accumulation,
Meaning. Something that has accumulated or has been accumulated. A collecting together, amassing. Increase or growth by addition, especially when continuous or repeated. Example. Despite this accumulation of evidence, the government persisted in doing nothing. A vast accumulation of evidence about the dangers of smoking. The accumulation of leaves on the ground is proceeding at a much faster rate than my raking. Accuracy.
accuracy,
accuracy,
Noun. Meaning. The fact of being exact or correct. Accuracy is also the agreement of a particular measurement with an accepted standard. Freedom from mistake or error, correctness. Example. The applicant has the right to challenge the accuracy of a credit report. The needle has to be positioned with pinpoint accuracy. Not only do we test for accuracy in training, but we may wish to test for noise and many other parameters.
accurate,
accurate,
Adjective. Meaning. Going to, reaching, or hitting the intended target, not missing the target. A machine that is accurate is able to do something in an exact way without making a mistake. Tending to hit the intended target. Example. The cost is an accurate reflection of the quality of our products. Precise calibration. Internet communication instantly provides timely and accurate data for evaluating investment opportunities.
accurately,
accurately,
Adverb. Meaning. In a way that is correct, exact, and without any mistakes. In an accurate manner without mistakes or errors. N/A. Example. But a burger prepared, cooked, and served without a human touch is still more accurately described as speculation. Mateo Wong, The Atlantic, April 18, 2024. Julie Remeyer. The article accurately reflects public opinion. Accusation.
accusation,
accusation,
Noun. Meaning. A statement saying that you believe someone is guilty of a crime or of doing something bad. The offense or fault of which one is accused. A formal charge of wrongdoing, delinquency, or fault. Example. They have the nerve to level these accusations against one of our most respected members. He made a lot of thinly veiled accusations. She rejected all the accusations brought against her.
accuse,
accuse,
Verb. Meaning. To say that someone has done something morally wrong, illegal, or unkind. To blame for wrongdoing, to charge with a fault and especially with a crime. To officially accuse someone of a crime so that they will be judged in court under the American legal system. Example: she accused him of lying. The government was accused of incompetence. He practically accused me of starting the fire.
Achieve.
achieve,
Verb. Meaning: to get by effort. Accomplish. To succeed at reaching or accomplishing a goal, result, etc., especially through effort. Example: she's achieved a lot in the short time she's been with the company. He had finally achieved success. It is hard to see how these projects can achieve their potential.
Achievement.
achievement,
Noun. Meaning: something that a person, company, etc. has done or finished successfully. The act of achieving. Something achieved. Example: if you complete the game in less than 12 hours, you are awarded an achievement at the end. Climbing the mountain gave him a tremendous sense of achievement. Standardized tests to measure achievement.
Acid.
acid,
Noun. Meaning: an acid soil does not contain much lime. 1, 3. See also acid reflux. Sour, bitter, or stinging to the taste, resembling vinegar in taste. Example: stomach acids can break down the poison. There was no significant difference between the linoleic acid and the icosapentaenoic acid supplemented groups. At Cara, the chicken feathers supplied by a local farm are cleaned, pulverized, and mixed with acid and keratinase, an enzyme that breaks down keratin's strong chemical bonds. Leah Collins, CNN, April 12, 2024. Acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
acknowledge,
Verb. Meaning: to admit or accept that something is true or that a situation exists. To admit or accept that something is true or exists. To indicate recognition and acceptance of. Example: they didn't acknowledge my letter. She refuses to acknowledge the need for reform. He is always ready to acknowledge his debt to his teachers. Acquire.
Acquire.
acquire,
Verb. Meaning: to get or obtain something. To locate and hold a desired object in a detector. To get something that is important to your business. Example: the museum will put the recently acquired Picasso on display this spring. I was wearing a newly acquired jacket. He acquired Winnie the Pooh merchandising rights from A. Milne, the author of the children's stories. Acquisition.
Acquisition.
acquisition,
Noun. Meaning: the right to sell or publish something, such as a particular work or work by a particular author, that is bought or obtained by a company or person, the act of buying or obtaining this right. The act of getting land, power, money, etc. The act or action of acquiring. Example: the acquisition of huge amounts of data has helped our research enormously. Hong Kong manufacturers are meeting the challenge through effective procurement and technology acquisition. They proposed that more open-ended questioning and more pupil talk were vital in reading acquisition.
Acre.
acre,
Noun. Meaning: a unit for measuring area, equal to 4,047 square meters or 4,840 square yards. State in western Brazil bordering on Peru and Bolivia, capital Rio Branco, area 59,343 square miles, 153,698 square kilometers, population 733,559. A broad expanse or great quantity. Example: for the first time in 25 years, floodwaters covered thousands of acres of cropland, and the water surged onto lands that hadn't previously flooded, where the ground had sunk because of groundwater pumping. Ian James, Los Angeles Times, April 17, 2024. Governor Abbott has also announced plans to build a military-style base to house National Guard troops on 80 acres of land in the Eagle Pass area. Henry Gass, The Christian Science Monitor, April 5, 2024. A 2,000-acre ranch.
across,
across,
Adverb. Meaning. So as to be understandable or successful. On the opposite side of. So as to find or meet. Example. Looking out across the ocean, he saw land. Trying to get an argument across. He opened a store across the street from the theater.
act,
act,
Verb. Meaning. To take advantage of or become involved with something that someone else started. To have an effect or use. A law or formal decision made by a parliament or other group of elected lawmakers. Example. There are classes on acting from Steve Martin and Helen Mirren, on photography from Annie Leibovitz, on music from Ringo Starr, on science and technology from Neil deGrasse Tyson and James Cameron, to name a few. Claire Peltier, ABC News, April 12, 2024. The Supreme Court said Nixon couldn't be sued for official acts. USA Today, April 23, 2024. The play was well acted.
action,
action,
Noun. Meaning. The manner or method of performing. The most vigorous, productive, or exciting activity in a particular field, area, or group. Fighting during a war. Example. Campaigners say more action is needed on climate change. Jansen recounts the battle by describing the action on a pair of screens that the winner gave his daughter. They called off their action at 7:40 am after the meeting was arranged. 8.
activate,
activate,
Verb. Meaning. To become active. To make an electrical system or chemical process start working. To make something start working or happening. Example. The president has activated the reserves. Baking powder contains its own built-in acid, so it can be activated with just heat and liquid. Activate the reserves.